खत्म ही हो गया
सब है ना, कौन है मालूम? ये दोनों माले मुफ्त दिले दे रहे हैं।
मम्मी रीत को लाने का ही नहीं अगली बार से। Even I was enjoying ईशान before you came. वो 2 साल कब वापस मिलेंगे? बट
वो मालूम है क्या हुआ 20,000?
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sahar. You and I we hustle together. बहुत टाइम बाद में vlog कर रही हूँ actually because अभी मेरे नॉर्वे के vlogs जा रहे हैं तो you all are enjoying that और मेरा ईद का vlog भी काफी डिले हो गया because my editor completely messed up my ईद vlog. तो उसको एडिट करने में मुझे स्क्रैच से एडिट करना है, अभी तक मैंने उस पर कुछ काम किया नहीं है. बट टुनाइट इज संडे नाइट. बाय द वे दिस एंटायर वीक आई वाज आल्सो सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी बैड केस ऑफ फूड पॉइजनिंग एंड आई वाज इन बेड द एंटायर वीक. आई हैव नॉट लेफ्ट माय हाउस द एंटायर वीक. सो फाइनली संडे नाइट अभी मेरा व्लॉग चला गया है. आई हैव डिसाइडेड चलो मॉल चलते हैं. इट इज 9:15. शायद ही सारी दुकानें बंद हो जाएगी बाय द टाइम वी रीच द मॉल. बट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ गोइंग आउट ऑफ द हाउस लेट्स गो थोड़ा मॉल की हवा खाते, क्योंकि मुंबई में फ्रेश एयर तो होता नहीं है. तो घर के एसी से मॉल के एसी तक चलो चलते हैं. आई जस्ट फील लाइक गोइंग टू अ मॉल एंड शॉपिंग एंड नॉट ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. एंड इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल आई हैव बॉट एनीथिंग न्यू. सो इफ आई गेट स्टोर्स ओपन we might shop something. So I thought I'll take you all with me. Let's go spend a Sunday night together and then tomorrow से तो hustle with Sahar शुरू हो जाएगा. Monday है. Let's go. Let's go is such a keyword for fudge, but fudge we are going. Only Geo Mall is pet friendly. We're not going to Geo Mall. You want to come or what? But it'll be shut, babu. We come back soon. Shun coming back. This is my casual fit. White linen shirt, denim, can't go wrong with it. Pop of color on the bag, some hand stack. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Half the mall is already shutting. क्या मिलेगा? ऊपर जाके देखते हैं.
You want to check that side?
These are so old. I used to have them years ago. Samba का क्यों copy ना Palermo. I used to have such shoes. This is nice ना for daily wear. Chappal. This is also really nice. What's it?
They all look the same to me.
I have a similar one in white. Guys, if you want dupes of my Miu Miu sunglasses, you can check them at Aldo. Exactly मेरे Miu Miu वाले sunglasses का shape है. Same to same, even the sides and everything. This is a cute bag. Do I need more bags?
I'll give you an answer that you won't like.
Oh, this is so cute. It's cherry. I don't have this color also. I do have this color in the Gucci.
2 hours later.
Shopping तो हम कुछ कर नहीं पाए, तो we decided to randomly come to the theaters and we asked the guy which movies were there. Captain America हमारी आधे घंटे से छूट गई. Reet was of the opinion that we should go for Captain America, which was the safe bet. But
then Sara decided आज कुछ तूफानी करता है.
we chose Diplomat and it's a very good movie but so intense. Like आज का वातावरण वो था नहीं इतनी intense movie देखने का, but it's a very good movie. And like so far it's based on a true story. It is so painful. The movie is like giving me chills. Like both of us are like oh my god. But अच्छी पिक्चर है. हम देख रहे हैं अभी. जॉन इब्राहिम था पोस्टर पे and लोगों like the I like John Ibrahim. I like John Abraham. And also the guy said that this is good. The reviews are good. It's on a true story. So do watch, but do watch that it is a serious movie. Yeah, it's not a fun like Captain America type. The vibe of today was fun, but हम कुछ घर पे जाके क्या करेंगे, इसलिए we were like चलो शॉपिंग नहीं कर पाए तो Sunday movie day. The movie is actually like goosebumpish. Like it's got female assault and like it's very intense. Like I had chills in the movie. अभी intermission हुआ है, शुरू नहीं हुई है. अंदर बहुत ठंडी है ना. हम लोग ब्लैंकेट लेके बैठे तो भी ठंडी लग रही है. This is one of my favorite theaters in Mumbai, Insignia. This is like the whole theater is amazing. That's IMAX and that's also amazing. हम यहाँ बहुत regularly आते हैं. But this is my first time watching in Insignia.
इसे 11 बजे बुलाया था, ये जल्दी क्यों आ गया?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Back home, it is 2 a.m. and the movie was genuinely so good. Genuinely, like, the movie is so good, so good. It's like a proper gripping political thriller. आप हर मिनट ग्लूड रहोगे, like, oh my god, क्या हो रहा है, like, ऐसा, like, if you've missed it in theaters, watch it on OTT if it's gonna come on OTT, and it's based on real life story of it, and they've shown the real person का clipping also. So very, very good movie. That's what I told you. Like, sometimes it's nice to go and watch a movie in a theater. You're not scrolling on Instagram and doom scrolling, and you're faced with reality, like real life stories. And you realize कि जिंदगी में ऐसा हो रहा है लोगों के साथ, और Instagram पे हम अलग ही दुनिया में जी रहे होते हैं. So that was nice. I'm gonna take off my lipstick, do some skincare. The most easy sensitive skincare routine that I follow on the nights that I am actually breaking out over year 1 and year abhi gaye pimples. So very calming routine that doesn't have a lot of actives. It's just hydration, only for hydrating the skin. So hydrating cleanser, hydrating serum, hydrating moisturizer. All the links are going to be in the description box. Check it out. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
The next day.
Okay, we are having some blind tasting for coffee samples on a Monday in office, and Sharon has done this very cute hairstyle on me because my hair is washed and kept in its natural state, and this is day 3, day 4 of my natural hair, which is not the best for camera. So I'm having one of the batch tests. This is an work in progress sample. Abhi tak perfect nahi hua hai. I'm not very happy with it. It is like aroma is good, this is good, but pura ka pura product se I'm not happy. So it's still a work in progress. It could be a summer launch. If not, then we might do it next year. So don't get too excited. We are not sure we are launching. Abhi ke liye the only thing that you have this year is Hamari Sundar Iced Tea jo itni अच्छे से बिक रही है, and I'm so happy about it. Like every day now the people are receiving. We did a big mistake this time and we launched on a on a Saturday evening, and the shipments, because Saturday warehouse closes at 4 o'clock, the shipments left on Monday morning. So उसके बाद 3 दिन लगता है for everybody ships orders to be packed and then to reach their pin codes and everything. So Mumbai में it takes 3 to 4 days. Now we are working on same day delivery in Mumbai. I don't know by the time this vlog goes up, same day delivery might be active, because right now my ops team is working on same day delivery in Mumbai. So that is something that we are activating at Impulse Coffees, because abhi tak we are not on any quick commerce platform. So we are at least hoping कि ठीक है Mumbai and ये major metros में if we are getting the same day delivery option, then we should give that to our customers. Hot chocolate is out of stock. सिर्फ 20 packets बचे थे, I think वो बिक गए, तो hot chocolate is gone. I have to restock that. That and iced tea also we will restock, because iced tea we'll send like a separate box samples box order to Amazon, because Amazon में हमने separately नहीं भेजा. So Amazon has their own warehouse. We have our own warehouse, but we can also sell via our warehouse to Amazon. So far iced tea has been going from our warehouse. So now we thought because it's so much in demand and it's going so well, we will go and send Amazon के लिए separate orders. So I have to place some orders with my manufacturers also, but I'm very happy with iced tea's response in general. If you have not tried Impulse iced tea, give it a shot. You're gonna love it. Not just for summers, like it's like coffee, you know, it's your evening drink. If you are that kind of a person, if you're a health freak like I am, coffee is your, like, not too much coffee also, not too much of anything, of course, but I have like 2 cups of coffee a day and 1 cup of iced tea, 1 glass of iced tea on the weekends when I feel like when I have like a nice oily meal, then a nice fresh drink is iced tea for me, and definitely cuts down on that gives you that freshness, that wala feeling. And सारे flavors इतने unique है, तो everyone is loving it. Everyone's messaging me that guava chili and blueberry are their favorites, because I feel like you all have never tried a guava chili and a blueberry iced tea because no other brand is doing it. So I'm so happy with the response in general. Every time I'm reading, abhi sab orders deliver. Like I was saying, the mistake we made is to launch on a Saturday evening. We should launch on Friday so that the first few orders get packed and leave the warehouse by Saturday evening max. So people get their orders on Monday. Otherwise, सारे orders इस बार Wednesday, Thursday पहुंचने लगे. And ये 2 week में इतने ज़्यादा bank holidays थे. Like today is also Ambedkar Jayanti. Last week there were 2 bank holidays. So many bank holidays, and which is why again lots of operational delay happened. So if you placed your order for iced tea in the starting and you didn't get your order, I'm so sorry. But you must have gotten it by now, and I'm sure you're loving it because I'm getting your DMs, I'm getting your comments, and we're very, very happy with all the response. And I have one here only with me because I was just checking some. In case you have not seen a cute package, I'm obsessed with the packaging also for iced tea, because like Taha was like, ये तेरी coffee की packaging से भी better, and I'm like, ऐसा नहीं बोलते. But these are so colorful and cute, and they're all in the same box. I know now all of you are like, अभी iced tea के sachets के तो coffee के भी करो, but ठहरो, अभी तक मेरा break even नहीं हुआ. You all need to buy more iced tea, break even on this, then इसके profit से, then I will invest in the next product. So I have to pace it out. I don't have investors. I have to keep that money rolling from the company. So we are slow and steady wins the race. With Impulse, I feel like there's no race to win. It's just like I'm having fun getting good quality product on the table, and just that's what's important, quality product. Coffee ka label, I already started designing the label. Yeah, I was like, abhi ne to kabhi na kabhi kaam aayega label, because I'll definitely launch the flavor. I just don't know when. So I'm working with her more. I really liked her work, and her designing is very clean, and she takes feedback also very well. Like, really nice working with this designer. I mean, wow. This one is good. See the smell.
Smell, this is the new one, no?
Yeah.
Initially, I loved the jar ka smell also. So good. Smells it, you understand 100% it is.
It is what it is. Can't tell.
The next evening.
It's what day is it? 15th April, and today has been a very crazy busy day of things that have been secret, not Taha, but other secrets जो हम नहीं डाल सकते अभी से vlog में. तो मैं अलग vlog कर रही थी आप लोग के लिए, for when that secret can be shown. तो अभी हम शूट कर रहे हैं फॉर Impulse. माम एडिट का हो गया. इन लोग ने ना हमारा पूरा स्टूडियो जब्त कर लिया है, और अभी मम्मी इधर है नहीं ना, सुन रही है वो बेडरूम. Look at how she's listening from there. She's keeping. ये चलो change your apparel and come for Impulse का शूट. अभी तुमके लिए हम लोग ने शूट किया ना, अभी हम लोग के लिए भी तुमको करना है.
Why is the camera on?
And what is that noise you're making? I am shooting.
That's iced tea. I'm promoting your product. Lemon
You're
iced
not
tea.
promoting, you're only consuming and finishing it off. You need to promote it also.
I am promoting it.
तुमको शर्म नहीं अकेले अकेले पी रहे हो?
Huh?
ये दोनों ने मिलके
Lemon तू पीता है नहीं ना भाई?
पूरा माल खत्म कर दिया. I swear. सब
इस समय ना कौन है मालूम, ये दोनों माले मुफ्त दिले पे रहे हैं. कोई का मिला पिए जा रहे.
If you're thinking again with uncle,
दूसरा मूवी ने.
no, but otherwise also, if you're thinking again with uncle and comes to
अच्छा,
movie or song,
Sharon is not playing this Bollywood here.
hello,
Otherwise तो
that's it. Hello.
आज बिहू भी है. रीत हैप्पी बिहू. आप आइस टी पी रहे हो. गाइस हम लोग टीम रील शूट कर रहे हैं Impulse के लिए.
Good. तुमको तो कुछ आते नहीं, वृंदा थक गई अभी. तुम नो कंपटीशन विद यू.
तुमको आता नहीं मतलब?
4-1 से हराया था अमित और मैंने.
I am very
इन
bad
दोनों
at
को.
this. I too am worse. You are bad, I am worse.
No, if you do old songs, then nobody can beat
The
them.
couples you
A few inches later.
हाँ तो वो लोग मैं ड्राई मस्त एकदम ड्राई.
Mostly इसका क्वेश्चन पूछ.
अरे
मेकअप नहीं खराब मेरा मेकअप नहीं खराब कर सकते हो.
Who is most likely to forget an anniversary?
Because I also forget.
5 minutes later.
Today we are doing doing a couple cooking challenge between Gen Z couple and Gen X couple. आज मजा आने वाला है. आप मामी एडिट पे देख लो, मैं पूरा इधर नहीं बताऊंगी आपको.
The next day.
हेलो जी, इम्पल्स कॉफीज की ओनर पी रही है कॉफी, शाम वाली, नॉट सुबह वाली. इट इज 16th of April and it is 6:16 PM and I am so tired already because काफी क्रेजी सा वातावरण चल रहा है गाइज. आई नो आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि सारा आपको तो हमेशा ही क्रेजी वातावरण चलता है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज नहीं, एक्चुअली ऐसा ट्रू है. इट इज़ ट्रू. मोस्टली एवरी टाइम इट्स क्रेजी एंड द सीक्रेट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ 2025 is going to be epic and it is taking up a lot of time. Huge thing, and we have started prep in full force since January and abhi wo time aa raha hai. I feel like every year I have worked on one secret project which is the big deal and the big focus of the year, and this opportunity that has come my way is a huge one that I am so excited to be working on, and I feel like it's the right timing for everything. अब उस पे काम चल रहा है और बहुत ज़ोरों शोरों से काम चल रहा है. उसी की वजह से मैंने कितने सारे vlogs skip किए हैं, इतने upload days skip किए, इतना ज़्यादा burnout भी आ रहा है because it's such a big project and I want to make sure that I can try and get as many things right as possible, and we're working on it, all hands on deck. Quite a lot of things are happening around it. अभी मैं कुछ भी रिवील नहीं कर सकती, बट जल्दी कर दूंगी. लाइक आप ये व्लॉग देखोगे उसके 1-2 हफ्ते बाद. इफ यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, दैट्स वे यू विल सी ऑल द फ्रेश कॉन्टेंट. दिस इज द टाइम वे यू रियली वांट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम if you have an Instagram account, because main content from there will come first on Instagram and then on YouTube. YouTube पे much later आएगा because YouTube के videos को edit करने बहुत time लगता है and you can't edit फटाफट like the long videos, which is why I enjoyed editing Norway आराम से. like आज मैं Norway का last vlog डालूंगी 16th April को, जबकि I came back on 6th March. And I really like the fact that this time nobody's complaining कि late आया है, because actually videos are so wholesome, इतने प्यारे edits हुए हैं. And I've realized कि long videos are a Netflix series. People want to watch it आराम से when they have time. So I also want to edit it आराम से when I have time and not rush through the edit. And daily vlogs are fine, but like travel with Sarah and stuff is like, you know, these are experiences that always stay on YouTube and you want to make them as beautiful as possible. So I told my editor take his own sweet time, आराम से edit करना. मैंने सारे vlogs एक ही editor को दिए थे ताकि सब एक जैसे दिखे. यूजुअली जल्दी डालने के लिए मैं हर एक vlog एक अलग अलग editor को देती हूँ ताकि फटाफट सब लोग एक साथ मुझे दे दे and then I can check and upload. But इस बार I just gave everything to one editor and then he did everything and everything looks the same. So that's what I will do even with this secret project that is there. कि सारे videos I will give one editor and everything will look the same. I was aligning from morning. I've done quite a lot of work. There was one international payment that I had to finish. वो payment हो गई. वो बैंक ने इतना time लिया payment करने का. I put a fun reel on Instagram. अभी मुझे नॉर्वे के vlog पे बैठना है. I have to sit on the budget for Impulse Coffees for this new financial year. That's something I've not yet done. Norway का vlog, but पहले vlog उसके बाद वो. I had to sign an agreement that is done for the same day delivery. Yeah, I did quite a lot of big girl work. Sometimes I do all this work and I'm like, wow, I've become so big. I've grown up so much. Oh dude, you know what happened the other day? I was talking to like my new editor. He joined office and then he was leaving and I was talking to him. Pretty sure he's editing this video also. And I was like, oh, how old are you? And he said, I'm 20. And I was like, oh, that's so young. And when I said that, I felt so old. Like in that minute, I aged a lot. Like I'm like, shit, I'm 26. Like I'm 6 years older to him. I'm in my late 20s. When did that happen? I felt so old in that minute. And I was like, I also used to be 20 sometime. एक तो COVID ने 2 साल ले लिया जिंदगी के. वो 2 साल कब वापस मिलेंगे? But I was telling Reet, हम कितने बड़े हो गए. Like he's going to be 28 this year. I'm going to be 27 next year. Anyway, I aged a lot in that one statement. मुझे बहुत गंदा वाला hit हुआ कि shit, I am calling a 20-year-old young. So what am I? Such a fun PR Pixie has sent. This is what it is, and it opens ऐसा. And it has like their new lip stains. I'm so excited. The lipstick I have is from Fay Beauty. It's their modern matte in the shade Bougie.
2 hours later.
12th.
Azhar has come because we are converting this skirt into a top. This is my skirt. Tomorrow I have a secret launch event to attend of a brand वो disclose नहीं हुआ है, वो न्यूयॉर्क से आ रहा है इंडिया. तो the theme is black and gold. तो शेरिन is like ये skirt को top बना दे because और कुछ नया नहीं है मेरे पास करने.
The next day.
It's Thursday today. I've just done like a concealer glam. I've not yet put anything else on my face, only eyeliner and concealer because I have to shoot for a new blush and हम रुके हैं कि अच्छी lighting आए. अब तक वो golden hour वाली lighting आई नहीं है room में. So we are just doing some trials for some clothes that I shopped on Nykaa Fashion. I shopped them myself. I wanted like new wardrobe refresh. So I wanted to get some new tops and clothes that I would need, especially pants because all my trousers have become really loose for me. And अभी उसको मतलब हमने tucks मारे थे इतने टाइम तक, but अभी वो tucks एकदम अजीब लग रहे हैं. So I thought I'll discard my old trousers and get some new ones. So I shopped from this brand called Cider on Nykaa Fashion. It's not sponsored. I purchased everything. So let's just do a trial and an honest review of all the clothes because if it's not fitting or not looking good, I'm sending it back because they're very expensive. First, I got this top. It's like lace on top and it's thin material. It's almost like a crop top. I really like this. It's a great piece for like shoots and events पे पहनने के लिए या बाहर जाने के लिए. It's a nice top. Then I also got this black pant and this is what the pant looks like. This is what it looks like on the model. This portion is supposed to be like a corset, but it's not looking like a corset on me. The fabric on this boning is very like poor fabric and it's also bunching up a lot over here. So I don't like the look of the trousers. Plus they are like 5,000 almost. So these trousers I'm definitely sending it back. This is a nice fit. Denim is fitting really nice, high waist. It's got like a tuck detail over here and this top is so nice. It looks like leather but it is not actually leather. It's like a thin rexine material. The garmi bhi nahi hogi. I really like this color. I'm into reds especially because I don't have a real good red crop tops. All my crop tops are now actually I need new crop tops also. I need to just actually remove a lot of clothes, donate them and get new clothes. So that's the mission I'm on. So that's why I invested in some expensive pieces. I was like they'll last me a little longer hopefully if the fabric is good. And Nykaa Fashion has some good stuff in western wear. I'm gonna link this top, the previous top for you and these pants also. Let me show you the pant in the mirror. Please excuse the mess of my vanity. This is always the case. I can never help it. But this is what the pant looks like. It's nicely high waist. It's not like looking weird over here. It's got a nice like trim over here and the length is also good for me. So it's a denim material. It's not linen or anything. It's a denim material. I really like it. You don't, and it has this tying detail, no, at the back like a bow tie detail. उससे कुछ होगा नहीं. Oh, होगा. उससे tight हो रहा है. Yeah. It's cinching my waist. Nice. Next, Azhar also got the crop top made. He made a crop top. We asked a regular top. I don't know why he made a crop top. कर दे फटाफट V fast. अभी भी loose है.
सत्यम को नहीं भेजो. V fast और टाइम लगेगा.
Okay, सत्यम को भेज दे. हाँ. So उसने हाँ ये portion बचा हुआ है कट के. और जो दूसरा पोर्शन है उसने उसका टॉप आई डोंट नो ही इज नॉट लिसनिंग प्रॉपर्ली दीज डेज. उसको बोला था क्रॉप टॉप नहीं उसको बोला था टॉप बनाने फुल लेंथ लाइक अ ट्यूब टॉप बट नाउ ही मेड अ क्रॉप टॉप. It's okay. We'll just have to wear it. It's looking good, but it's just the fabric needs to be a little more tight. He's made it very loose. So Satyam को भेज दिया. Okay. You put like pin tucks as to how much that you do because it's slightly loose, no? Yeah, and I'm still gonna try. I have these two tops to try. And what else has come? I have a similar top like this from H&M which is very old. ये थोड़ा सा मुझे loose हो रहा है. I feel like I should buy a size down because I don't really want to buy loose clothes now. All my clothes are loose, which is why I'm buying new clothes. So I like the neckline detailing, but I think I'm gonna size down on this. I'll send this one back. This is such a cute top, but unfortunately it's not fitting me. I think I ordered a size small. Like the buttons are not gonna come down, but it's like a peplum and it's like this cute, very British vibe kind of a top. If this would fit me, it looks so cute. So I need to size up on this. But yeah, it's so cute. I really like it. I like the color. I think the fabric's also very nice. And I like this red trim with the beige. Just need to size up on this one.
1 hour later.
Super quick change of outfit because I am now shooting for a brand new blush that is launching and I'm telling you I'm obsessed with this new blush. It is a dupe of one of my luxury blushes and it's so high in pigment. So watch out for the reel I will do in this particular dress. मैं reel पे डालूंगी इसको. That particular blush you have to get it. It is so good. I'm not revealing the brand here because अभी I don't know vlog पहले जाएगा कि reel पहले जाएगी. जब से मेरे पास आया I just used it एक दिन and I went to the gym and after gym the entire day that blush was on my face and so pigmented, so easy to blend. Like you just have to apply it, you don't have to do any blending also. It's very nice, like genuinely so nice. Like I'm not paid to say any of this, I'm genuinely saying that I love the blush, so I'm so excited to shoot the campaign also. Whenever I love a product, I'm still that little girl who loves her makeup, and whenever a product is super exciting, the campaign shoot becomes even more exciting for me. Like I'm excited to take it live and tell you all that, guys, this is so good, you have to try this. So this is that product for me. See, my phone is now stuck to this glass. Tripods are replaced since the time that suction thing has come, and अभी beautifully जो sunlight है जैसी वो थोड़ा नीचे आएगा तो मेरे face पे मस्त beautiful light आएगी. अभी सिर्फ body पे आ रही है and you can only see light till here, so I'm waiting for the light to completely come on my face and then I'll get those beautiful, nice pigmented blush shots. All the brands nowadays just want natural light shooting. Like these shots are what everybody wants. So we have to time our shoots also accordingly.
3 hours later.
Just wrapped up my 11 to 7 job and now I have to go for my 7 to 11 job. That is as a creator for an event. I'm very tired, but what to do? I hope Usman uncle is available to drive because I have no energy to drive. I'm filming a get ready with me. I stuck my phone now to the mirror. Now I just stick my phone anywhere and start shooting. And my outfit, Sharon has very sweetly just removed everything and kept, so it's easy for me to just get ready. I was working on the design of a new product at Impulse Coffee, some edits, some brand shoots, and my own Impulse Coffee shoots. And tomorrow is going to be accounts day. It's Good Friday tomorrow, but it's an off for everyone else, so I'm just going to sit with my accountant and do accounts. So kal is going to be proper hisab day, so I hope I get some rest today because I hate accounts day. Alright, I'm dressed. It's 8:40 and now I'm leaving. 7:20 I got done with work. Took an hour to get ready, eat some food and then go. आराम से जा रही हूँ because of course event time पे नहीं शुरू होगा. This is the bag I'm carrying and this is my final fit. Actually Sharon को चाहिए था और मुझे भी चाहिए था कि top पूरा काटे. Azhar did not understand the memo. I wish he would have cut the top fully. It's not looking that good as a crop top. I wish it was like a full top. It would look so much better. But now I really don't have any other outfit choice, so I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm so freaking tired, but tomorrow is a holiday. I'm gonna sleep in and take some good rest. Let's go to the event now.
The next day.
You know it's a holiday when it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I am playing Pokemon. I am such an addict now to this game, and this is Pokemon TCGP. It's trading card game pocket, and oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm on level 23. My deck is so strong now and I'm like killing people. Like level 45 ko bhi main yu hara deti hu, and it's an addiction for sure. Even during meetings when my brain just stops working, I play one battle and I feel so powerful after I play a battle. So I just won against a very high level player. I'm on Ultra. The name of the player was Kaiji. Lot of like Japanese people playing Pokemon. See, level 42 है वो और मैं level 23 हूँ and हरा दिया मैंने उसको. बेचारा. I played so well. I'm so proud of me. Anyway, it's Saturday. It's not Saturday, it's Friday. It's Good Friday today. It's a proper bank holiday, so मेरी भी कंपनी में छुट्टी है. But बाहर आपको जो चहल पहल सुनाई दे रही है वो Marmaidit की टीम है. Marmaidit is shooting today and my accountant is coming today. Usually we have these monthly reconciliations that happen on Saturdays, but his not coming this Saturday, so he's coming today. He's gonna come at 3 o'clock, so I thought I'll get some safai done till he comes because need to be off screen time. So let's play some music and get some cleaning done because a lot of like, you know, throughout the week I attend events and all the makeup or accessories वगैरह मैं यहाँ छोड़ देती हूँ. Let's just put everything in place and keep the house a little organized. Let's do that. Like randomly makeup is lying here, my jewelry and all the new like lip tints and all that came this week, like Pixie's lip tint I had this week. Mummy was getting her makeup done by me, so this is here, and the bag I carried yesterday is here. So let's start putting things in place where they belong. Wow, this wardrobe is also pretty messy at this point. We need to do some cleaning for sure. My blush blindness has made me purchase so many blushes and I get so much in PR. Now I'm realizing that half of the blushes I don't even use, and so now I'm gonna just keep the blushes I use every day in this, and most of the shades that don't suit me or don't get used that much, I'm gonna remove them before the makeup expires. my giveaways, I don't give like used makeup, I give brand new makeup, and that's all in my walk-in wardrobe. So I'll try to do a giveaway in this video as well, in this vlog, because I have a lot of new makeup that has come in, like even these Pixie tints. I have a lot of colors and I have so many tints, so I'm going to give away most of it.
The rules for today's giveaway are on the screen right now. You have to subscribe to my channel, Impulse Coffees and Ma Made It, and comment your favorite moment from today's vlog with your email address in the comment section below to enter the giveaway. All the very best.
A lot of people, my mom knows, that don't mind using used makeup because all of these are really good brands, and I must have used it only once or twice for a video, and then I don't use it because I have other things to use always. So these go to them, like they get donated and they don't go in the giveaway. Giveaway is always like brand new stuff. So I've removed so many things. I'm so happy with the declutter I did, especially in my foundation section, because this is the first time I managed to remove stuff before it expires. I'm putting away all the foundations that are not exactly my shade right now, because abhi meri shade change ho gayi hai summers mein. So I'm gonna give away everything, even the Rare Beauty tints. I love them, but it's not my exact shade match, so मैं इतना use नहीं करती. तो उससे पहले कि expire हो जाए, it's good to give it to somebody who will actually be the exact shade and use them. My powders, I'm giving away these blushes. This Huda Beauty, this Pixie blush, they're not my shade. They're too light for me. So I purchased all of this, but it's unfortunately not matching me. Even my Fenty Beauty, like this squeezy tube wala, I have all the Fenty Beauty foundations. The other shades are perfect. This is slightly too orange for me, so I'm gonna give it away. So many primers I removed. I'm even giving away my mini Charlotte Tilbury powder because this is also a shade too light for me. I need to buy the big size because mera bada wala toot gaya, but I will buy that one too. Lots of blushes, like way too many blushes. Setting sprays, primers. I'm happy with the declutter. Like ये bag भर के declutter किया मैंने. Sharon is going to be so happy with my declutter because we can't find things for shoots, you know. Then big bag of makeup to donate, and I'm only gonna fill this up over the weekend. But now it's 2:30. Let's quickly get changed before my accountant comes, and then we have to head into the meeting.
A few moments later.
ये देखो पूरी सभा बैठी है प्लेटफॉर्म पे और आमरस पूरी आलू भाजी खाया जा रहा है. Carb loading.
Yes.
What is this?
Good calories don't.
What calories don't count?
Sorry, good calories.
Good calories. These are not good.
मरेंगे तो पूछेगा नहीं तुम्हारे को कितनी कैलोरीज बढ़ गए.
Yes.
बोले आंटी.
जल्दी मरोगे इतना कैलोरीज खाओगे तो.
वांदा नहीं करो. Once in a while it's good to indulge.
Yes, I ate one puri. So I'm happy. I ate one puri. It was very tasty. मम्मी ने आज मस्त आलू पूरी आमरस. अभी मुझे जाना अकाउंट्स मीटिंग में. टाटा बाय बाय. मुझे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना.
Two hours later.
मेरी अकाउंट्स की मीटिंग में तो मैं आप लोग को नहीं लेके जा सकती. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नंबर टॉक, बट इट वाज ओके. इट वाज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल. इट गिव मी सम क्लैरिटी ऑन इम्पल्स एंड माय दिस, एंड इट्स अ न्यू फाइनेंशियल ईयर, सो न्यू गोल्स टू मीट एंड एवरीथिंग. अब मैं पूल साइड आई हूँ. आजकल हम बहुत ज़्यादा पूल साइड आने लगे बिल्डिंग के, तो अभी वेदर बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स नॉट टू हॉट. इट्स चला गया. रीत इज गेटिंग हिज शूट डन इन द पूल. He's shooting for a brand and Taha is shooting his video. And they are flying a drone. Taha drone उड़ा रहा है और रीत का शूट चल रहा है. कितना कंट्रोल में उड़ा रहा है Taha ड्रोन. मैं नॉर्वे में उड़ा रही थी तो मैं इतनी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल थी. रीत का शूट चल रहा है और मैं कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ मस्त पूल साइड पे. पप्पा भी है, उधर गए पप्पा. Come on, swim. स्विमिंग करो. मम्मी लोग बच्चे लोग को बोलते ना, बेटा स्विमिंग करो. चलो बेटा स्विमिंग करो.
The next evening.
आज ईस्टर के दिन
किसका?
हो गया. सुबह से मैं रिफ्रेश किए जा रही हूँ देखने के लिए कि हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है.
20,000 हो गया मेरा. 20,000.
Congratulations.
Yes, माशाल्लाह.
तुमको मालूम है क्या हुआ? 20,000
Followers on Ma Made It.
Look at my mini me, copying me. Look at him.
You only ask him to wear it like that, and अभी ब्लॉग में बोल रहे look at my mini me.
तुमको ना अभी मम्मी रीत को लाने का ही नहीं अगली बार से, समझी ना.
क्या बोलते?
He's spoiling my fun.
spoiling my fun.
Today is Easter, so of course we've come to Nani's house to celebrate and हम lunch कर रहे थे. It was a very basic celebration. सब लोग सोए थे most of the time. अभी शाम को हम मैं लेट उठ के आई और ये लोग सब दोपहर को सो रहे थे. अभी look at Ishan how he's standing near the gate waiting for. Look at it. हम लोग अभी बीच पे जा रहे हैं सब लोग. Look at the आम का झाड़ वही हो guys. कच्ची कैरी ऊपर. We need an auto. Hello. Ask him. Madla beach. Beach. Jew beach. From here you'll go to Jew beach. Jew beach is so dirty, Ishan. You can't go to.
Clean beach.
Let's go to the beach. हाँ इतने सालों बाद I'm coming to Mud Beach. बचपन पूरा हम लोग का इधर ही जाता था. Every summer holiday, my cousins and I used to be here. अभी ईशान की बारी. चल ईशु, handsome boy. Is this your first time coming here? Yes. Come on, let's go. My castle. Ishu, ready for it? Are you ready for it?
When you assemble
Ishu, are you ready for it? Ishu.
1, 2.
No, Jokharia. Stay away from my. Wow, see? Ishan, eat uncle's egg on my. Usual. What are you doing?
Same what you did.
No.
गया सारा गया आगे
Sara.
सैंड है उसके बॉडी पे वो हो जाएगा सारा रब होएगा सैंड रेस्क्यू प्लीज
Vindictive. की मेहनत से मैंने उसको बनाई थी. Destroyer of all things good. कुछ भी मैं अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ तो तोड़ता है. ईशान
सारा तू 2060 है वो 4 साल का है तो उसके साथ वो करिए कॉम्पीट करिए से आई एम एंजॉयिंग दैट
even I was enjoying Ishan before you came in life also.
ईशान से आई एम एंजॉयिंग दैट
पूरा खराब कर दिया तूने. क्यों उसको अटेंशन ग्रैब की? मैं चुपचाप बना रही थी ना.
वो खुद समझ गया
उसमें बना रही थी तो मैं नहीं चाहती थी.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. काफी कुछ हो रहा था इस vlog में and I have taken you through a lot of different things happening on different days because I was all over the place and just vlogging my entire week, and that's what daily life for me in Mumbai is like now, because every day there are things happening which I can't share on vlogs. There are things happening that I want to share with you all, and I do want to share everything with you all. I do record as much as possible and फिर वो अलग vlogs बनते हैं, like जब वो actually चीज़ launch होगी या जब कुछ होगा reveal होगा तभी हम आपको वो दिखा सकते हैं. So lots of like secret things are happening here in the Sara Squad home, Sara Squad Studios, whatever you want to call it. It's actually again become a Sara Squad Studios only. The only thing is nobody's kicking me out from it. Touch on mashallah. Like there is so much shooting, editing non-stop happening over there. That is literally the flow of our work right now. And I hope you enjoyed watching this full packed with hustle, packed with maza vlog. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For these videos, Sara Squad shout goes to yours truly, Janisha. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part next to the Sara Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sara Squad shout. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you.